How to turn on or turn off Bluetooth connections on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on connections. After that, tap on Bluetooth. Tap on the Bluetooth toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. You can also tap on the left hand side panel here. And then at the top here, you can also tap on, so I'm just going to get rid of this. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Just want to tap on the stop button right here. Or you can tap on the scan button to scan for available devices so that you can connect to it. Another way to turn on or turn off Bluetooth settings is to swipe down and then tap on the Bluetooth icon. Once you tap on the Bluetooth icon, it will switch off or turn it on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.